Hi, everybody, and welcome to Steel Cod Spotlight, where we get real insights from experts in and around the appliance industry. Today, we're joined by Melissa Eboli. Melissa is a senior area sales manager with GE Appliances and a chef. Melissa, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me here today. I'm super excited.
We're so glad to have you. And we'd like to start the show with learning a little more about our guests. And you're kind of in a unique situation where a lot of our guests are traditional in the appliance industry, came through business or came through, grew up in retail, but you actually came as a result of being a chef. So I'd like to learn a little more about how being a chef informs your perspectives on kitchen appliances and how it helps you cross market and promote the dealers you serve.
Absolutely. So yeah, my role is very unique. I actually did start out in the appliance industry back in 2010 before I was a chef. I was with Fisher Paykel for nearly 7 years. But then growing up in an Italian household, always being around food, and then, working in that role, always being around chefs, I just always had this like passion and burning desire to become a chef myself. So I pivoted 9 years ago. I stepped away from that role to become a chef. And I then ended up launching a business with a very loose business plan where I did many dinner parties, catered events, but then I still kept in touch with my appliance industry roots. So then I was a chef for a couple of different manufacturers, doing demos inside of retail stores and at industry events. However, as much as I love doing that, the older I got, I realized I did not want to work nights, weekends, holidays the rest of my adult life. So after successfully running my culinary business for 7 years, I then segued back into the industry 3 years ago. Initially, I was with Blomberg Appliances, working with distributors in North America. And then I ended up having an opportunity come about working with GE, and I've been there for an amazing 8 months so far.
So what a great path around appliances and cooking and a really cool and I'm sure gives you great perspectives when you're talking with salespeople about, how to sell appliances from the cooking side of things, not just maybe aesthetics or budget or those categories, which we will get to very soon. So, Melissa, our show is really made for distinct audiences and really giving them direct feedback as it applies to appliances. We're going to bring in an audience of consumers. So these are the people that are ready to put the credit card down, ready to make the purchase, very excited, and have plenty of appliance questions. So my first question to you, this is a great question, is today's consumer, of course, does a lot of online research before even entering the showroom. How do you combat the potential for misinformation?
That's always a great question and one that also comes up often. And, consumers sometimes confuse themselves. They come in asking for something, and they might even come in because they did so much research asking for features and benefits that aren't even of the brand that they're asking about. So sometimes you might want to ask the consumer, okay, well, what is it that attracts you to this feature and benefit? And or what is it that attracts you to this brand? Because a lot of times consumers, we all want to say we're all consumers at the end of the day. We all think we know what we want, but it's not until you're truly, at the retailer or we're talking to a manufacturer rep who's then going to break down what it is that you're looking for exactly to then get you with the right product, feature, and benefit.
So really kind of coming in with an open mind when entering the showroom that let the salesperson, let the expert guide you down the path that probably will make your appliances fit a little better. So another question for this audience, I'm dying to hear your answer because of, your profession and how you've been with cooking and with appliances is, can you share a moment where you've seen a customer's whole view of cooking change right in front of you?
Absolutely. And I'll say, with my background, one of the things that I've been blessed to do in my culinary career is I've done induction demonstrations all over the country, working with the building decarbonization. And there had been many, many times in that aha moment where I would be showing something or talking to them about what induction is. And it's like, oh my God, it's a no-brainer. You can boil hot water in 3 minutes. You can take something from high heat to low heat instantaneously within a matter of seconds, from a simmer to a boil and back again. So, and then the biggest learning is, because another misconception when it comes to induction is that you need special pots and pans. And all they need is a pot or pan that has a magnet that can stick to it. So many, many times I've seen aha moments just through the induction education aspect of it.
That's awesome. And for sure. And actually, recently, my wife and I shifted from electric to induction, and we've had
Mhm.
plenty of those aha moments. So that's excellent in that category.
So, and I'm not just saying this because I work for GE, but I truly do love our cafe line of products. Our cafe kitchen just has so many great innovations, and I love the color customization. And although I am sitting in my current GE kitchen in my home right now, I'm hoping in the next year or so to be able to update it with some lovely pops of color from cafe. And especially part of these, and I'll go into more details. I love our French door wall oven. I love cooking on an induction, range top, and they just literally check all the boxes and have all the things.
Absolutely. And when the cafe shift happened years back, I was like, what a beautiful move and some beautifully designed appliances. So excellent, excellent answer. So my next question for you is, what is the best professional advice you have ever received?
Ooh, I would probably say never burn any bridges
Hmm.
because you truly never know. I mean, oh my gosh, I'm sure as you know, being in the appliance industry, I mean, it's like you need a grid and a chart. So, somebody that might have been your competitor 2 months ago is now your boss or your coworker and vice versa. And, it's all about relationship building. And you just, you just never ever want to burn any bridges in any industry, but
Right.
especially the appliance industry because it is such a tight family community in and of itself.
Great, great tip for any industry, like you said. And finally, my question is, what is the best way for people to follow or connect with you?
Absolutely. So I'm highly active on Instagram, and my handle is Chef Via Melissa. So that's VIAMELISSA, and or on LinkedIn, you can find me. You could probably find me under Chef Via Melissa, or through my proper name, which is Melissa Eboli, EBOLI.
Awesome. And we'll put that text in the footer. So, Melissa, thank you so much for joining us today. We're so glad on behalf of the audiences. Thank you for your expert advice. And thank you for everyone who are watching. We'll see you next time on Steel Cod Spotlight. Thanks.
Thank you so much for having me. Ciao.